How to redeem CashBlox codes is the topic of today's video. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button right now. I really appreciate it, and leave a like as well. Without any further, let's go jump to CashBlox. So you can see him in CashBlox. Firstly, you need to log in. They don't ask for a password. Click "I'm not a robot," then boom. Then click verify, copy the verification phrase. Go to your Roblox profile, then paste it. After that, click "I'm not a robot." As you can see, there's a free case giveaway you can join for extra Robux. Click all the social medias for extra Robux. Join their Discord server, follow, subscribe. Fast forward. Also, you can earn more Robux by completing tasks and doing surveys. There's also Leaderboard that you can compete other users. Invite your friends for 5% of their earning. The more you invite, it will increase the percentage. Let's redeem a code. The code is new. It gives 3 Robux. To withdraw your Robux, you must earn 8 Robux before you can withdraw. And then you will make a game pass. They will cover the tax. Fast forward. This will happen if you don't earn or complete a task. Make sure to do one. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video. Have an awesome day. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.